Kartra versus WordPress. Which one is better? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling to choose between Kartra or WordPress and you're trying to launch a website, course, or online business, these are two powerful options, but they work in completely different ways, so let's break it down. Kartra is designed for entrepreneurs who want to get everything in one place. It includes website builders, landing pages, email marketing, course hosting, CRM, checkout pages, automation, and analytics, all under one roof. You don't need to integrate five different tools, it's drag and drop, and everything is already connected. For example, you can build a sales funnel, set up emails, collect payments, and deliver your digital product all from the same dashboard. It is best for coaches, course creators, consultants, and marketers who want to launch fast without tech headaches. Now let's head over to WordPress. So, WordPress is a content management system, super flexible and massively popular. You can build any kind of website, blogs, portfolios, e commerce stores, forums, and more, but you'll need to assemble the parts yourself. You'll choose a hosting provider, install WordPress, pick a theme, add plugin for forms, SEO, backup, speed, etc. It's more work, but offers total creative freedom. It is best for developers, bloggers, freelancers, agencies, and power users who want full control over design and features. Now, let's highlight the differences between website building. So, with Kartra, you're working inside a walled garden. You get beautiful pre designed templates, but customization is limited to what Kartra allows. But with WordPress, you can simply open canvases. You can use builders like Elementor or Gutenberg, write your own code, or install advanced plugins. But this flexibility means you're also responsible for security, speed, optimization, backups, and updates. So let's head over to plans. Kartra is a bit expensive. It's for $59 per month with Essential Plan. Starter one is $119 per month, and the growth one is $229 per month. Whereas WordPress is very cheap, the personal one is $4 per month. Premium is $8 per month, business is $25 per month. So Kartra is a bit expensive, but seeing the things that it offers, it's pretty good with the price. So choose Kartra if you want an easy all-in-one solution with minimal setup. It's perfect for launching courses, funnels, or lead generation pages without the tech overwhelm. Choose WordPress if you want full control, scalability, and the ability to build differently and unique websites, as long as you're comfortable doing more of the setup and maintenance yourself. So, which one fits your needs better? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.